Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials, power and storage. Charge the Neewer Vision 4 to full, then insert a freshly formatted SD card so file systems are clean. Once done, mount your primary lens or microphone and hand tighten the locking screws. Give a small quarter turn with the included tool to prevent loosening. Turn the unit on using the side button and watch the boot logo. Make sure firmware prompts finish before changing any settings, because firmware loads device profiles at startup and stabilizes performance. Next, configure capture parameters to match your scene. Choose resolution and frame rate, 4K at 30 FPS for detail, 1080p at 60 FPS for smooth motion. Then set base exposure using ISO and shutter. Start with auto and lock once satisfied. Adjust white balance to a preset or dial Kelvin for mixed light, because correct color prevents time-consuming fixes later. Enable stabilization and pick continuous autofocus if you expect subject motion. Finally, now you record and validate. Frame your shot, choose manual focus pull for controlled shifts or AF tracking for moving subjects, then record a short test clip and immediately review playback for exposure, focus, and audio. Once satisfied, perform your takes. After the session, offload footage to an external drive and a cloud copy to avoid data loss. If you encounter an error, restart the Neewer Vision 4, reformat the SD card, and confirm firmware is current. These steps resolve most operational issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.